In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a block library in AutoCAD. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have AutoCAD open and ready to go. Now, let's get started with inserting a block library in your AutoCAD workspace, which can greatly enhance your workflow and efficiency. First, direct your attention to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD screen. Here, you'll want to type the word insert. This command is the gateway to bringing in block libraries into your current project. As you type, you'll notice AutoCAD suggesting the correct command, making your task even easier. Once you've typed insert, press enter to execute the command. With the command initiated, you'll notice an option to browse block libraries popping up. This is your next step. Click on that option and AutoCAD will open up a File Explorer window for you. This File Explorer is where you'll find the drawing files, or DWG files, that contain your desired blocks. If you're not familiar, DWG files are essentially the formats in which AutoCAD drawings are saved. They hold all sorts of valuable data, including blocks that you can reuse in your projects. Navigate through the File Explorer to locate the DWG file that houses the blocks you need. If you're unsure where to find these files, try looking in your project folder or wherever you typically store your AutoCAD resources. Once you've found the correct file, click on it to select it. This action is crucial because it tells AutoCAD exactly which block library you want to access. After selecting the desired DWG file, the magic happens. The blocks contained within that file now become accessible right from your current drawing environment. This means you can seamlessly add them into your ongoing project without having to redraw or import them manually. This capability not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across your projects as you're using predefined blocks. And just like that, you've successfully inserted a block library into your AutoCAD drawing. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can drastically improve your design process, especially if you frequently reuse blocks in your projects. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to efficiently insert a block library in AutoCAD, making future projects smoother and more efficient. I encourage you to explore and organize your block libraries further, as having them tool managed can be a tremendous asset in your design toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.